Hello and welcome to What's Trending with Tire Review. My name is David. I am the editor of Tire Review and I am sitting here with the president of K&M Tire, Cheryl Gossard. Cheryl, thank you very much for your time today.
You're welcome. Thanks for being here.
So, of course, we are at the annual K&M trade show here in Atlantic City. And this year your theme is to level up. What is kind of your thought process behind that theme? What do you mean by that, and what do you hope that your dealers are going to go home with what kind of knowledge to level up?
Well, when we talk about level up, it's all about continuous improvement, and we feel like if everybody just focuses on getting 1% better every day, whether that's in their business, whether that's with working with their employees or in a department, or whether that's in their personal lives, right? We just always want to continue to get better, and we want to help our dealers focus on that as well.
Very nice, very nice. I want to bring up the supply chain for a moment. So, of course, things seem to be getting better since the pandemic hit, but still not perfect, right? So you spoke with us last year around the same time about how the supply chain was, and you were making some movement, some changes in your own business to help kind of roll with those punches. How are things going for you with that? Are you seeing a better supply chain on your end?
Yeah, we are seeing a better supply chain on our end. We've also have done some restructuring in our department and added some new positions, some analyst positions. Over the last 6 months, we've really been focusing on reviewing different supply chain software that can help us forecast and be able to dial in better and be faster to making changes when there's products that start to move quicker or products that start to move slower. Right now it's a very manual process and we just can't keep up with it quick enough, and so we're out of product more often than what we want to be, or we have too much product because we don't see it quick enough. So this software we're hoping will help us with that. Will help us also get the product into our satellite warehouses where the demand is for the tires. So we're really excited to get that in place later this year and see what that can do for us.
Wonderful. And I know in 2023, specifically in the commercial tire market, that for a while there were dealers that had just a glut of products so much. Are you seeing anything changing there?
Yeah, definitely. That has come down. So I don't think too many people are overstocked right now with the commercial tires. And it has really helped with our inventory, being able to get that more at a level that is manageable.
Wonderful, wonderful. Now you'd mentioned warehousing there, and I know that recently you had announced this partnership with Point S. This is really interesting to me. Can you kind of explain where did that idea to partner with Point S come from, and what is the kind of give and take from a K&M perspective on that?
Yeah, so we've known the folks at Point S for a number of years, and we've just kept an open conversation with them, and it just hey, if there's something that can come along that we can work together on. Just really had no idea in the past what that might be, and then they just had this warehouse in Denver that they were looking at maybe exiting out of, so they reached out and we started having conversations and thought it would be good for both of us if we entered into this partnership together.
Wonderful. And so what does that partnership mean for your dealer network?
Sure. It means, well, for us, it means that we have now Point S locations that we are supplying tires to, and being part of our K&M group of customers, also working closely with Point S to know what products that they want us to deliver to those stores.
Gotcha. Are there any more of these sorts of distribution partnerships on the horizon?
Yeah, we're not having any conversations right now, but we're always just open to conversations as opportunities come up.
Sure. Expansion goals for this year, whether that means growing your dealer network or expanding your manufacturing partnerships. Can you elaborate just on what your goals are for 2024?
Sure, we're always focused on trying to do things that we can provide our customers with better service. So we have just recently moved a few of our warehouses into bigger warehouses so we can stock more tires. Of course, opening the Denver warehouse, we have some customers out that way that we think will be able to provide better service. But as far as that, we don't have any big plans to open new locations. Nothing that's on our radar right now for 2024.
Okay. When you are looking for that, are there specific parts of the U.S. that you maybe have an eye on, or is it kind of just as things come up, you consider them and think about it, and geography doesn't really matter?
Correct. It's just as things come up, we consider them. Also, as we grow and start to deliver, and it gets to a point that it's too far away to service as well as what we like, then we look at maybe adding a warehouse in that area.
Excellent. So in your eyes, beginning of 2024 here, what is maybe the biggest challenge that you are seeing your dealer base dealing with today, and how can K&M Tire help them to tackle those challenges head on?
Yeah, I think it's a wide range of things, right? Because we have all different kinds of customers. Some are in the rural area, some are in metro markets, some, deal with, agriculture tires, some more just PLT. So it's a wide range. It's not just one size fits all. So we just try to be a partner with our dealers, understand what their needs are, and address those. So I think overall, right now with the economy, I think that's probably the biggest issue that probably is affecting everybody.
Yeah.
So, whether it's, being able to offer things on our Mr. Tire program that can help them be more profitable, those are things that we're focused on.
Are there any changes to your Mr. Tire program this year?
We are always reviewing it and always tweaking it, adding things. So nothing significant, but always little improvements throughout the year.
Got it. Well, Cheryl, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And thank you for joining us today. We'll catch you next time.